Here we have a couple of numbers that look like they're in scientific notation because they include the times 10 to the power of something. But the incorrect format is this value of m here that is in front. This value in front, the times 10, must always fit within the range of 1 to 9.9. If it doesn't, it doesn't mean that it's wrong. Well, it is wrong, but what you need to do is you need to be able to make adjustments to it. Move the decimal in a place that will make these numbers here fit that format. And it's okay to be able to move the decimal. That's fine. We're not really changing what the value of a number is. All we are doing is moving the decimal. But remember that when we're moving the decimal, we are also changing the exponent. Because remember, where we move this decimal is what's going to determine what this exponent will be. So let's look at the first one. We have our decimal right here. Just darken it. Right? There it is. 427.2 times 10 to the power of 4. Here's where my decimal is. I want to move this decimal right here. Because then my number will be 4.272, which will fit within that range. So for me to move it, I got to move it 2 places to the left. Because I'm adding it 2 places to the left, I'm also adding 2 placeholders into the exponents. So my answer now becomes 4.272 times 10 to the power of 6. So if I'm moving it to the left, I am adding to my exponents. I'm making sure that we've got positive exponents. Now, we're moving here in the opposite direction. So we've got our decimal here. We know we've got a number that is smaller than 1. So we want to move this decimal immediately following the very first digit. So not the 0, but the 6, right after the 6. So I'm moving this decimal 2 places to the right. Because I'm moving it 2 places to the right, I'm going to subtract 2 exponents. Now, my value of m is 6.19. The times 10 doesn't change. But now be careful here. We started off with a -3 here. So -3 minus 2 will give me -5. So my new way of rewriting this in a proper scientific notation is 6.19 times 10 to the power of 5.